Santa baby, Santa baby, Santa baby. Forgot to mention one little thing. Hurry, I don't mean on the phone. Santa baby, to hurry down the chimney, hurry down the chimney, hurry down the chimney, hurry down the chimney. Hurry. Tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back. This video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do a photo shoot at home. It's going to be a fun video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go. So I'm going to be doing my DIY photo shoot at home. I already did my makeup. I just did my foundation just in case if I wanted to do a festive look on my face. I think I'm just gonna leave my face bare with just concealer, I put some mascara on, and then a little lip. I'm just gonna dress my outfits up and then get my background ready. So for my background, I'm actually going to be using, I have two looks. So I'm going to be doing one with this look, and I'm going to be doing one with my red jumpsuit. I am going to be getting these looks together. Let's get into this photo shoot. So I'm going to actually start with the red look, and then I'm going to set it up and show you guys how I set everything up, and then we are going to be good to go. So I have my backdrop. I'm going to be using one of my cloth long sheets. This is great for if you don't have a backdrop. I bought a backdrop, but it didn't come yet because we're in the holidays and it seems like all the mail is backed up. So I am going to wing it right now. So I wanted to do a red on red, and I'm going to be using my long cloth. Cause you see how it look, honey? You wouldn't even know. Look. Stop playing, boom, boom. So I'm gonna be using my red cloth. I am in my room, so I'm going to actually pin it to the closet. Top of my closet, let me see. Now it is small, but if you come closer, you would have known. So I think I did it wrong. I'm going to actually turn it the other way. You see, I have a tall closet, so it's going to be cutting off the red. So I'm going to actually get some tape and tape it to the closet, okay, because this is too high. All right, so now I'm about to set this up. So I have it set up. Ooh, baby, red on red. I have it set up. So now I'm gonna start taking some flicks, okay, so y'all can see how it's looking. All right. Listen, this was just, I'm tired already, but we gonna do this. And it's red on red. I took a few photos. They came out awesome. Now, this is on the iPhone. I like to actually touch up my photos a little bit more. I'm going to actually show you guys how I touch them up in Facetune. So I use Facetune to basically touch up my photos if I miss anything, if there's any blemishes, just to make it, you know, more professional looking photo. Now, I know that they do have a filter that is a sparkle feature in it, so I'm using that because being that it's festive and it's the time of the year, I wanted to, you know, bedazzle myself up in some sparkles. And then I also do the softness filter as well. It's a softness option, and then usually it's an auto option that which is auto corrects the whole entire photo. So this is what I did. That's how I use Facetune. I am going to I did take more photos in the red, and I'm just going to post them all at the end. But now I'm going to get into the next look, which is going to be the green. I'm going to keep the same backdrop. I don't think I have anything green unless I go outside and do it by the trees, but it's snowing out, so that's not going to work. So I'm going to keep the same backdrop and just go to a different look. So let's get to the second look. I have outfit number 2 on. It's just a green velvet set. And look, it's snowing outside, guys. About to set up and take pictures with this fit. This is a dope, you know, color to put to the ring light. I did change the clear parts of the ring light, and I mean, it dimmed the light, but I really didn't take any pictures. I just wanted to see how it looked on video, and here it is. That was my DIY affordable at-home photo shoot. I hope that this was helpful. You can use backdrops with your covers. You can use sheets. You can do, I'm going to probably do a sheet, but I want to do like a photo shoot outdoors, but I'm probably gonna use like a sheet or something to do. But this is definitely affordable at home. When my backdrops do come, then it's on and popping. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching my videos. Until next time, kings and queens, I'm out.